Hello everyone, it's Anna here. In this video, I'll be sharing more about what is a Flipgrid mixtape, tips for using Flipgrid mixtape, and how to create Flipgrid mixtape. Watch through the whole video and comment below how many times I can say Flipgrid mixtape in this video. First off, what is it? Flipgrid Mixtape is a feature on the video platform Flipgrid that allow teachers to create a playlist of student videos across any grid or topic and share it with their peers, family, and friends. So I've been using Flipgrid for about a year and more intensely during distance learning, and here are 5 tips for using the mixtape feature. So first, I create student portfolios for end of the school year. This includes all their Flipgrid videos that students have done for each subject, and this is essentially for memory's sake. I suggest that if you are deciding to use Flipgrid as a portfolio feature, to definitely create the mixtape at the beginning so you can start compiling throughout the year and lessen the work at the end. Trust me, I did not think about doing this until right now. It's the end of the school year, and it does take some time. Another way I use this feature is to use it to showcase student examples for math. In my classroom, I use CGI or cognitively guided instruction approach, so it relies heavily on students sharing their strategies. To mimic sharing student ideas from the classroom to distance learning, I create mixtapes of about 5 student strategies and share it with the rest of the class so they can learn from one another. Comment below if you want to learn more about CGI. So the third tip is to use it for a project showcase. In my classroom, their distance learning project was to create a passion project. Some wanted to do Google Slides presentation and others wanted to create how-to videos. So I created a mixtape of student how-to videos in the sequence that they wanted to showcase their learning and share with everyone. It's pretty cool because I have students showing how to make masks because their project's essential question is wanting to share how to make masks to make the community safe during the pandemic. So also, because it's a mixtape, you can share with family and friends and with the family's approval to share it globally, because in my classroom, I do promote having students be global change makers. If you want to see more of how I plan a project or a passion project, comment below. The fourth tip is to use it for project reflection. My school is a project-based school, so after every project, my students reflect on it. And instead of showing each video separately, I create a mixtape where it showcases all the students' reflection in a collage form and share it with the class and their families. Another one is using it for semester or end of the year highlights for memory's sake. Now, you might be wondering, how do I create a Flipgrid mixtape? Check this out. There are 2 ways to create a mixtape. The first way is to click on the Mixtapes tab and add new mixtape. Then title your mixtape. For example, if I want to make one for morning messages, I'll title that. And then you can also create a flip code, or you can leave it as what it has already. So I like to rename the flip code based on the topic of this mixtape. And this code you can share with family and friends, and they will be able to see this mixtape. Here is a description of what the mixtape is. Also, you can set a password so only those with a password can access this Flipgrid. So once it's green, it's on, and you enter a password. And create mixtape. So you'll see that the mixtape is created, though to add videos into the mixtape, you'll need to go into my grids, and I'll click the grid. And there are 2 topics, so I'll click on it, and here is a response. So if you want this video to be in the Flipgrid, you click it, you can click Actions and Add to Flipgrid. And then you'll need to choose which mixtape you want to put in. And I want to put in morning messages. And so, again, because mixtape can include videos across grids, I can go to another topic, say maybe this one, and then click, and if I want this video in there, then I can check the box, and then here's also another action button you can use and add to mixtapes. So that's one way. Another way is if you don't go to mixtapes first and you start from My Grids, and then going to the topic. So you can click on whichever response you want to create the mixtape, then add to mixtapes. So from there, you can create a mixtape. Let's see, maybe it's for math. And so same thing, you can create a flip code, descriptions, password, and create. So that's the second way. I hope you found this helpful. Comment below what other topics you want to learn more about and how many times I said Flipgrid Mixtape in this video. Have a great day.